Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with TD Bank for bill pay full guide step by step clearly. To begin authenticating with TD Bank for bill pay, start by navigating to the TD Bank website. Click on the login button located at the top right corner of the homepage. Select Personal Banking from the drop-down menu. Enter your user ID in the designated field. Click on Login to proceed. You will be prompted to enter your password. Make sure to enter it accurately for successful login. After entering your password, click on Login again. Once logged in, look for the Bill Pay section in your account dashboard. Click on Bill Pay to access the payment interface. If you haven't used Bill Pay before, you may need to set it up. Follow the prompts to add your preferred payment accounts. You will need to enter the details for each biller. This information usually includes the biller's name, account number, and other relevant data. After entering the required details, confirm the information is correct. Once everything is accurate, save the biller information. Now, you can schedule your payments. Select the bill you want to pay from your list of billers. Enter the amount you wish to pay. Choose the date you would like the payment to be processed. Review the payment details to ensure accuracy. After confirming the information, click on Pay Now to submit the payment. You will receive a confirmation notification once the payment is successfully scheduled. Keep an eye on your email for any updates or confirmations from TD Bank. That's it. You are now authenticated for bill pay with TD Bank. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.